guys, it's Tanya, and today we're going to be making pork egg rolls with a Thai basil dipping sauce and homemade wrappers. So let's get started. First, we're going to prepare the dough so that you can let that rest while you prepare the other stuff. Now while the dough's resting, we're going to prepare the pork filling. You will not need to add oil because the pork has enough grease. Once that's done cooking, strain out the liquid and set it aside to cool while you prepare your Thai basil dressing. Guys, this is super easy. Just put everything in the blender and blend. I first made this Thai basil sauce 20 years ago. It was really late at night, like after the bars closed late at night. And my friend and I, at the time, she was my roommate, and we used to come home from the bars drunk and cook 5-course meals for everyone in the house. Completely destroy the kitchen and pass out. But this sauce, it was worth it. It was special, like the kind of special that makes you want to dance. Once your dough is rested 30 minutes, go ahead and unwrap it, flour it lightly, and knead it for a couple more minutes. Once it's nice and soft, divide it into 4 or 5 sections, depending on how large you want your egg rolls to be. I did 16 giant ones. Make sure you always keep the dough that you're not working with covered, otherwise they'll dry out. It's very important if you're going to stack them to make sure you have plentiful cornstarch underneath and on top. Make sure your oil is nice and hot before frying, and flip them over to make sure they're golden on both sides. You can bake these if you like, but I prefer mine deep fried. Guys, this recipe took me about 2 hours from start to finish, but you can speed up the process by buying pre-made wrappers at the store. But I guarantee you that this recipe is much more delicious, it costs less money, and you can do it. Do it. Do it.